Overlord, War God, aristocratic family, popular Chinese short drums sweep across the globe. Short drum map dominates the global charts. The secret lies in cool! Not just a short play, playing games, watching videos, live streaming, online shopping, quick payment. A little bit laggy, the user is about to complain, not to mention large-scale paralysis and shutdown, make you hit the hot search in minutes. Internet business is inherently designed to serve global users. This gives rise to a universe-level complex system. In the physical world, differences in language, religion, culture, and happiness are visible and tangible. In the digital world, uneven network quality, terminal devices, and hidden illegal black industry all are tricky problems. Poor IT engineers, busy putting out fires every single day, living in a time of constant setbacks and challenges. So, what should we do? The answer to the question is, go to the edge. Don't get me wrong, the edge is not lying flat. To explain this matter clearly, we need to start with CDN, Content Delivery Network. CDN is not a new concept. It was proposed in the 1990s. The core objective is to improve access speed. Simply put, network transmission relies on physical distance. The longer the physical distance, the longer the access time. A deployment of a website on a service node in Shenzhen, users are likely to be distributed across countless cities in the 5 continents of the world. The distance for cross-continent, transoceanic, and interprovincial access is too long. Netizens have no patience. Waiting and impatience mean the same thing. What should we do? The engineer came up with a solution. Mix as many as tiers as possible, establishing service nodes as many as possible worldwide. Copy the content of the original server to all edge service nodes, just to let users access the nearest spare tile. This is the logic of CDN, and these spare tiles closer to the users are called edge service nodes. In the following decades, an increasing number of edge nodes were established worldwide. The problem of slow user access speed seems to have been resolved. But on one hand, the popularity of mobile internet, let everyone be online 24 hours a day, caused the exploration of demand-side traffic. On the other hand, the digital world is no longer dominated by static text and images. Real-time, dynamic, high-definition, and multi-dimensional audio and video are becoming the new mainstream, caused the exploration of supply-side traffic. The more troublesome thing is, from socializing to entertainment, from gaming to shopping, from banking to payments, from education to office. Humans have more and more assets in the digital world. However, the treacherous hacker organization is lurking. The security protection capability of traditional CDN nodes is almost zero. Facing attacks, need to redirect meticulous traffic to the cleaning center for processing. This solution is clearly not cost-effective and efficient enough. Faced with these concerns, companies that provide internet services such as gaming, e-commerce, video, and payment, it is often only possible to mend the fold after the sheep are lost, treat the head when it aches, and the foot when it hurts. The final result is that it costs a lot of money. Engineers and operations personnel are required to face different deployment scenarios, different control panels, and inconsistent parameters. Products from different suppliers are stacked together, unable to coordinate protection, completely disconnected, like a patchwork monster. In 2015, the Tencent Cloud team decided to confront the essence, reconstructing a user-centric one-stop edge service platform from the ground up. EdgeOne. First, solve the problem of rejection of Frankenstein. They introduced the concept of service chain. As the name suggests, it means connecting multiple services together to form a chain. Just like going to the hospital for treatment. In this hospital, there are different departments, such as registration office, outpatient department, laboratory, pharmacy, etc. Each department has specific responsibilities, providing medical services together for patients, unified command and coordinated dispatch. Based on the concept of service chain, the EdgeOne team spent 6 years. Connect and upgrade all underlying equipment resources both domestically and internationally. Greatly expands the business expansion capability of edge nodes. Building a plug-and-play service embedding edge platform, business deployment is as convenient as changing game cartridges. A set of equipment resources, the same platform, seamless switching between multiple sets of businesses. Versatile, efficient, and cost-effective. Step 2. Solve the dilemma of choosing between fish and bear's paw. Acceleration is the foundation, but safety is also the key to success. According to the Cloud Security Situation Report for the first half of 2023 released by Tencent Research Institute, the Internet, finance, and industrial cloud are the industries that suffer the most attacks, with the Internet accounting for as much as 53.97% among all the attacks. 96.1% of them come from the external network. The DDoS attacks are the most commonly used attack method by hackers, apart from brute force cracking. In traditional solutions, it is impossible to achieve both performance and security. Therefore, in addition to integrating DNS solution, CDN static content distribution, ECDN dynamic acceleration, TCP, UDP acceleration, etc., EdgeOne also provides other capabilities. It also integrates DDoS protection, CC protection, web protection, bot management, etc. Security protection without plugins. Protection is provided at the Edge Network Service Layer, Development Service Layer, and Application Service Layer. Build a comprehensive network layer defense system. Edge attack on-site resolution. Adults don't make choices. Step 3. Solving the problem of operational efficiency. The more complex the global business, the more complex the operations and maintenance. The EdgeOne team innovates on the basis of acceleration and security, increase the capabilities in edge functions, edge AI inference, and content processing, help engineers focus on developing business code. Thus, truly integrating acceleration plus security plus computing organically, enable unified global management for all global businesses. The IT department of the company no longer needs to be the firefighter everywhere. The results are also remarkable. From 2021 to present, EdgeOne escorts Tencent's globalized businesses in gaming, music, and more. It also supports 70% of the revenue of the top 10 domestic game companies, 80% of the top 10 companies in the overseas audio and video revenue. And it has been unanimously recognized by authoritative institutions such as Gartner, Omdia, and CICT. Recently, EdgeOne has been upgraded again, not only significantly improved developers' user experience in terms of security, usability, data visualization, and budget management. Newly upgraded basic package offering more security capabilities. Truly useful and affordable. Spend a little money and you can have access to over 100 countries and regions worldwide, of 3,200 plus edge nodes, achieving comprehensive security protection. Now, start your edge journey and boost your media business right away.